All right. We're live on YouTube and TikTok. Jake Elliott. Go have fun. All right. So, yeah, rates this morning. Wow. What a leap from the close, which was 16.4. We're now at 17.34, or in other words, 1.64%. We're now at 1.747%, 1.738%. But we hit a high of 1.747%. And we got to figure about a 50% of the market is downside. It's going to be priced into that move. So 1.74 divided by 1.64 is a 6.1% move. And the market yesterday closed at 397.26 times 0.5 of 1 minus 0.0609 is what it actually was, 6.1%. Wow, I sure hope we don't see that. Whoa. Just imagine a 6% decline in SPY. That would just be insane. 186.5. I mean, what? What the fucking numbers here? This is not right. Hold on. Oh, okay, I know what happened. I multiplied 0.5. I had too much alcohol last night. 385. No, still, that's quite bad, guys. 385. I really hope we don't see that. 385 in SPY. So rates, though, if we really look at them closely here, we can already see that they're kind of trending up, which is bad for tech. I wonder if anyone had to leave on their Apple put because they had a day trade limit rule on or something. Boy, they're going to be waking up to be one of the winners this morning. But energy dropping huge this morning. We got oil dropping quite big, and ExxonMobil dropping on that news on that. It looks like OCG, the NFT, is running. So that's excellent. It looks like NFTs are going to be running again today. All right, let me pull up my high-speed trading setup. I'm going to put SPY on the bottom here. OCG on the lower left. Okay. Wow. Look at that OCG. Just go ahead and you can get in pre-market on that. It's pulling back like a flag right now. Excellent. Now, let's take a look at the pre-market chameleon. Good morning, Matthew. And it's down. That's funny. Yeah, so we do have the XLU sector there. SVRA, we can take off the radar. GME will always have on the radar. I'm going to definitely keep GE, Boeing, and ExxonMobil on the radar. Facebook, Tesla, Apple, Caterpillar, and Deere. Micron is down. Semiconductors technology hit hard by this huge rate pop. Wow, looks like my Bank of America calls might be the only thing that saves me this morning. And the XLU puts. Yeah, that is true. CLPS, I'm going to keep that up just in case. But yeah, OCG, that's looking like a great place to plant seeds on pullbacks. KMPH, I'm going to take that off. All right, YVR, there's the other one. I'll put CLPS over here. And then the other one was TCAT, right? Let's take a look at TCAT. Bitcoin tested 60,000 overnight and is sitting around 58,000 right now. Yeah, YVR feels like the the AMC to GME, doesn't it? And OCG feels like TCAT feels like the GME, and then OCG feels like COS. That's what we have this morning. But yeah, it looks like being in TCAT and OCG could be a really good thing today. GRNQ, excellent. Yeah, we've seen that run before. All right, so we've got UPST. We have 0 companies up more than 50% this morning. So that's a pretty huge slow in the momentum books. Slowdown in the momentum books. The largest one at 40% and only 175,000 volume is UPST. All right, so let me take a look at that. We got 16 minutes to the market open. I'll take a little look at Sino on the advice of Jason on the TikTok. Oh, wow. Well, if today wasn't such a bad day on the market, with the market pulling back the way it is, I would say that UPST would be a larger cap mega dip buy options trade. One of the first in a long time. It's been several weeks before we had one of those. But I just can't trust it to follow through with the market being the way it is, with the market headwinds being the way they are. But what I'll do is I'll leave it there in the corner and we'll see if something develops on it. ZKIN and DSS. Yeah, let me take a look at DSS. Yeah, CNO's really popped up. The next ones down from UPST on the pre-market chameleon are TCAT, CNO, OCG, and then from there it's we're now entering like 13% pops. We want to go after the big momentum and the big volume. It looks like that's going to be OCG. There's already 5 million volume traded on it. But the smaller market cap is CNO. So CNO may have the power to run even more. But yeah, CNO and OCG probably our main plays. Did you guys plant some seeds just now around 14 on OCG? Because it's already at 14 point, it's already pushing 14.6. All right, I'll get CNO up. Market's open in 14 minutes. I think I just took Eric AREC off of my radar because I didn't like the pre-market chart. The volume might be high, but we also got to see like more than 10% gap up from yesterday's close. Zcan's got an 8%. It's up 8% right now. JG has some volume, but that's also only up 6%. I don't recommend. I mean, if the reason why you like trading these kinds of stocks is because they can take off, then I don't recommend you focus on anything that's only up 8% or 10%. You really want to be going after these huge leaders on the day and start there. That's where everyone's going to be flocking. Oh, what did you get stuck in, Cam? Which one? Which one are you stuck in? Don't you love the people who arrive to the group later? Charlie's like, oh, UPST nearly doubled overnight on earnings. It could be a possible pullback this morning. Charlie, we've been all over it. We've already been talking about it. And there's going to be more like you. Someone else is going to come in 5 minutes and be like, dude, did you see UPST? All right. So hopefully you guys are planting some seeds on OCG. Get a little 5% entry on these pullbacks. I will go with OCG and was it Cino? No, TCAT. I'm going to even take Cino off the top there and put TCAT up there. TKAT. Both of those able to run pretty hard today. All right, we got 10 minutes to the open. No hangover. He says, no hangover today. I don't have a hangover, but man, I'm several champagne glasses in, that's for sure. There's the bottle. Does everybody see it? Oh, yeah, we're definitely going to get hammered by Tesla. Yeah, okay, rates just put in 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth point of the uptrend. So that's 4-point confirmed uptrend in rates on gapping up huge. A 6.1% gap up. That's insane. So this means it's going to crush tech today. And we may see the banks go up and industrials go up. And typically you see energy go up. But for whatever reason, oil is going down. And right when the VIX closed over 20, we thought we were going to have our VIX under 20 era in front of us, but the market's still got to stabilize even more down here. Oh, jazz hands. That's what we'll call it. That's cool. Yeah, instead of diamond hands or paper hands, you can have something in between, and we call that jazz hands. I don't think Powell's speaking today. He spoke yesterday. I think that was some kind of a concern that he wasn't going to be able to make the meeting today. But if he does speak today, okay. But most of the cat is out of the bag from when he spoke yesterday. I think that might have been some incorrect information. All right, 8 minutes to the market open. I'll be right back. Oh, is that right? Okay. Well, okay. It's not like that's going to change much, but it might cause the market to just sort of hold here. See, Charlie, what I'm talking about? Here comes Gabby. OCG. Are you guys getting little nibbles on these pullbacks on TCAT and OCG? You know, just basically set yourself up on all these pullbacks at a good average cost. And only small nibbles, because what if it drops at the open? I don't think it will, but it can happen, and we've seen it many times. All right, we've got everything on radar as far as high frequency trading or momentum breakout trading goes. Definitely OCG, YVR, TCAT, CNO, DSS this morning. I don't really like what I'm seeing on GRNQ. Maybe that will change. So I'm going to take that off the radar. All right, we have the market opening in a minute and 20 seconds. So thank you guys from YouTube for tuning in.